guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and welcome to my channel. If this is the first video you're watching, hi, this is Shruti Iyer. I make content on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and all of that. You can also follow me on Instagram at Bosslady Shruti because we create some sassy content out there. Just saying, you might want to check it out. So today I actually wanted to sit down and talk about something that I have incorporated recently into my skincare, and it has honestly changed the game for me. And when it comes to skincare ingredients, I think it's very important to understand the importance of these ingredients and also how to use them. I have been guilty of this in the past where I have, sort of heard about a new product and then used it completely wrong in my skincare routine, and it has not given me the benefits that I was hoping it will give me, or has even worse, broken me out. So today I wanted to kind of break down the myths and the plus points of using vitamin C in your skincare. Now, vitamin C is a beautiful antioxidant. It can really help with dullness, dark spots, pigmentation and a variety of other skin concerns. And the vitamin C serum that I have been using for quite a while now is the Garnier Complete 30x Vitamin C Serum. This vitamin C serum is such a game changer in my skincare routine. I have very acne prone skin, but I definitely deal with a lot of dullness and pigmentation and dark spots on my face, and I feel like this has really helped me so much with that concern. I actually have tried out a couple of other vitamin C serums also, and I by far have loved the way that this functions. I absolutely love the texture of this. It has a very lightweight texture and it glides onto your skin so beautifully. It also gets absorbed into my skin very quickly, which is something that I love. I don't like wearing or feeling like my skincare is weighing me down or is being very heavy on my skin. And the best thing about this particular serum is that it has 30 times vitamin C in it. So it gives you brighter results faster. It actually says that you will get to see visible results in 7 days, and you will see definite results starting from the 3rd day. And I can definitely add to that claim. I did have a couple of dark spots and stuff on my face, and within a week of using this, I felt my face has gotten so much brighter and the dark spots really fading away to almost them not being detectable at all at this point. So that's the reason why I feel like this has worked very well on my skin. There's also a little experiment that I did. Here I'm taking a glass with a little bit of iodine solution, and I added a couple of drops of the vitamin C serum, and you can see that this solution instantly turned white. This represents the neutralization of this oxidative action, and that is why I feel like it has been such a game changer and helped me reduce dark spots in my skin as well. The way that I like using this is actually in my morning skincare routine. You can use this in your morning and evening skincare routine, but I prefer using this in my morning skincare routine. And also, can we give a quick shout out to the cute packaging of this product? It's very convenient. I love the fact that it has this dropper, and I love the consistency of this as well. It absorbs into my skin very easily. So all I do is after I've cleansed my face, I quickly go in with my vitamin C serum, gently tap and massage it onto my skin so that everything gets absorbed and my skin looks juicy, and following it up with my day cream or night cream depending on when I'm using it in my routine. But the one thing that is a non-negotiable when you're using vitamin C is the fact that you need to use sunscreen. I feel like sunscreen is a no-brainer. It has to be used at all times, anytime, because that's your best friend, girl. That is what is going to help you with all the anti-aging that you need. That is a non-negotiable. So definitely do not forget your sunscreen. So I think that vitamin C should definitely be a part of your skincare routine, no matter what age group you are, no matter what your lifestyle choices are. This is a super ingredient that I suggest everyone incorporate in their skincare routine because it's definitely going to give you a plethora of amazing goodness. The Garnier Vitamin C serum comes in 4 sizes: 7 ml for 129 rupees, 15 ml for 249 rupees, 30 ml for 619 rupees, and 50 ml for 875 rupees. So the good thing is that in the 50 ml bottle, you actually get 65% vitamin C for a much lesser price. That's a great deal. I will leave the links to all of these in the description box, so definitely check it out. So yes, I think that's it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and let me know if you guys like these type of videos. If there are any other type of videos that you would like to watch, I would love to film that for you guys. And subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.